In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your saved passwords in Google Chrome. So you need to start by heading over to the Google Chrome browser, and then we're going to click on these three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll down and select passwords and autofill, and then select Google Password Manager. Now from here, you'll see a list of all of the passwords that you currently have saved on your Google account. And to remove one of these passwords, just select the account like so. You may get a Windows security message pop up, so just verify this with your password. And from here, you'll have the option to delete this record. Now that's how you delete passwords individually, but if you just want to go ahead and delete all of your saved passwords, then what you can do is click on settings from the left hand side. You could decide whether you actually want to turn off the feature of saving passwords and passkeys, and if we scroll all the way down to the bottom here, we'll have this option to delete all Google Password Manager data. So if you want to just delete everything that's currently saved, then click on this delete data button at the bottom, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.